Good.
So my camera can record 128 gigabyte, 128 gigabyte. So one pair, almost half is full. Now it's for the second pair. I hope it's enough. I don't know. I have another SD card, but
Actually, you don't need to record this because you
yes, it
have
is.
online conference.
I don't like this quality of this video really. That's why I am trying to record using the high quality camera, 4K. So maybe this is also okay, but if you look from the video materials, it's invisible here, one or two. It's very difficult to identify. Maybe some people just try to open the camera and looking somewhere else, trying to do some home job. I don't know. Okay. Anyone can hear me? Okay, I'm just I'm recording everything. Now we have a next question. We have to identify reaction forces here. Somebody wants to solve this problem? You. What? Any difficulty here? This is not fixed support, this is hinge. Okay? Thickness is also equal to 0. Problem number 232. Maybe someone else help to us to try to online solve this problem. Solution also visible. Okay, let's draw this problem on our whiteboard and we will solve it together, okay? Maybe you will solve it yourself. Okay, so we have a two beam. It's here is welded or fixed, maybe welded already, or it's just something like deflected. And we have a load, spreaded load, and we have some angled part of beam, and we have to identify the supports, reaction forces. Okay, how many reaction forces are exist here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much? How many? Okay.
4.
Okay. Do you have any idea? What about you? Não põe? Nesse é sexual.
Mal Türkmen'le alıp olmadı.
Dosyć płynie tu na was. Hoje isso é marca. Esse é sexual. Why 4? Okay, we have a hinge. For the hinge, how many reaction forces exist? 2. What about this? This is a roller support.
1.
Okay. This is simple roller support. If I am putting something like this, it's just a roller support, not any fixment. If there is bolt exists, maybe it's fixed support, and I don't know. If it's fixed support, it's statistically indeterminable problem. It will be okay. No, this is a determinable problem. Okay, let's try to solve this problem. We have a hinge, and we have it like this. Higher even, like this, and here we have what? Roller support. 4 meters, 3 meters, and here we have a spreaded force, or distributed force, 500 newtons per meter. Okay, and 7 meters. Okay, we have a point A. like this. Okay? Now is it clear? Can you solve it? Something just misunderstanding. The contact is not just connecting together, yes?
I confused with the
Angle.
angle. Yeah.
Angle is a simple thing. 3 meters, 4 meters, alpha, this is a 5 meter, it should be 5. Okay, we will calculate it, never mind. It's okay. Okay, good. So, let me draw here free body diagram. The force is acting here is actually 3.5 kilonewton, yes? Let's write it. F1 is equal to 500 newtons per meter, product 7 meters. 3500 Newton. Okay. There is no any other external force, only this one, and we have to identify the action force. Okay. Let's draw free body diagram. We have a force acting on this direction. Let me write FB. Okay. It has two components. Okay. And we have here VA, here VB. And exactly middle we have a force 3.5 kilonewton, nothing more. And 4 meter, 3 meters length. Of course we can find here if it's X, the length of this one is also possible to find. But actually, maybe length of this one, I don't need it. Okay, I don't need it. I need only this distance and this distance for identifying some moments, blah, blah, blah, blah, blah. Okay? Clear? Yeah. What I have to do, I have to spread this force into two parts. If I have a force like this, I have HB component, horizontal component of this force, and we go here like this, VB component of this force. Okay? Now I can solve this problem, yes? If I find only this component, I can find force itself, it's easy. Okay? Or if I find this component, I can find another component too. Anyway, it doesn't matter. But I think I have to identify both components in order to find some rotation. Okay? If I think this is alpha, okay, and we can find according to this alpha, length, blah blah blah, tangent alpha, cosine alpha, sinus alpha, everything is dependent on this alpha. Okay. Okay, good. So what we have to do first, sum of all horizontal forces. This is a horizontal. I'm sorry. And this is the A. I'm sorry. Sometimes I make a mistake. Okay. Do not copy everything. Please check, and then you can copy. If I have a horizontal sum of horizontal forces is equal to 0, it means that HA minus HB is equal to 0. So it means that HA is equal to HB. HB is, if this is alpha, if this is alpha, okay, which one is alpha here again? This? This? I don't remember. This one is alpha. Okay. This is F. Okay. This is 19. Okay. If this one is alpha, and in our case, here the angle is alpha. Okay. Next one is the sum of vertical forces equal to 0. Okay, vertical forces. How many vertical forces are exist here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3? Yes. 2 reaction force, 1 external force. Yeah? Very good. VA. Okay, VB, where is this pointing? Okay, VB is pointing upward. Plus VB minus 3.5 is equal to what? 0. Yes. So I cannot find anything from this equation to this equation. What I need? I need the moment. Okay, very nice. Sum of moments on point A is equal to 0. Okay? Can you hear me? Who is online? Please do not sleep. Solve yourself. This is your problem too, not only mine. Naima is going to join us. Alo, ishte samen, salam içinde de yapma. İşte kuramız o kadar.
İçten de bu ama kadar kimi biliyor?
Ha, mikrofonun içilmesi gerekir. Okay, good. Okay. Moment from point A. How much distance we have? 3.5. 3.5. Am I right? Half of 7. Yes? Okay. Let's write. 3.5 negative. Let us further 3.5 kilometer. And trying to rotate F. Instead of F, I will write until here VB, here HB. Okay? Clear? And plus VB product, how much? 7 plus 3. 10 meters. Good. And plus HB product, how much meter?
4.
4 meter. Good. So is equal to 0. Now I have dependence formulation of VB and HB. Okay? And I have another dependence formulation of VB and HB. Okay? From this. If this one is alpha, okay. Okay. Everything starts from this point. Okay. So what I have to do, is just sine alpha is equal to HB divided by FB. Cosine alpha is equal to VB divided by FB. Yes? And tangent alpha is equal to, so tangent alpha is equal to HB divided by VB. Yes? Tangent alpha is equal to, if this is alpha, this is x, this is x, this is 3, is that 4 divided by 3. Yes? Anything wrong?
По-моему, наоборот. Вертикально 4, там 3.
Yeah, distance 3. Distance 3. Может, это сила наоборот? И здесь, если вот так сделаем, вот здесь у нас x, вот это 3, вот это 4. Как раз у нас HP разделим на x, это вот это вот. И VB это уже у нас 3. VB 3, HB это 4. Это тангенс альфа. Так ли? Так. Так. Вот у нас есть HP, потом мы можем поставить сюда. NVB plus 16 VB divided by 3 minus, this one is a 1225 kilonewton per. Yes? Yes? Can you verme şöyle? Şöyle kvadratı. Hemen içinde? F1000 tartışmış geliyoruz. Второй остался чуть-чуть больше. Так. Окей. Okay, let's solve till the end, and if I make a mistake, you can find it. it's almost the same. Solution is almost the same. Why didn't we make a mistake? Force MB, I don't know. It's FA. This is Y is vertical force in my case. VA, something like this. Horizontal force. Horizontal force is around 1063. It's almost the same. Okay. So I didn't make any mistake. I think it should be okay. Any misconfusion here? Misunderstanding? Here? No? Yes? Okay, please copy everything and I will explain to you this part again, okay? Step by step our programs will be complicated. More. If you miss 2 weeks a lesson, you can sleep at home and try to come in online, okay? Is this all such kind of question with Davra? Not yet. Man.
Poate vidite,
E показує.
об'явителі доказали.
Okay.
But vidite,
The same problem, but without geometry,
yes.
without any angles, blah, blah, blah.
Yes, without any.
Farm structure vidite also. It's the same.
We
So
solved
it's more
farm.
complicated from that.
Farm structure.
Ah, yes. Frame.
Frame.
Firma.
Farm.
Ферма.
Скажи, ферма довольно такого конструктора.
Ферма другой фермы.
Да.
Это другой фермы, это другой фермы. Там животные вырастут, что?
Скотч. Household.
Yes. Frame structure.
Frame, yeah.
Okay. If we have VA and HA, we can find F. If we have HB and VB, we can find what? FB. FB is equal to square root of HB squared plus VB squared. Is equal to what? Please. 1065 plus square plus 799 square. Okay, please calculate this value and we can find FB.
It's
1331, yes? 1331 Newton. Oh, it's okay. Okay? Okay, you can check from the book the results. It's the same. Yes?
Yes.
Alright? It means that we didn't make any mistake. We are so lucky. Okay, please copy everything and I will explain for you one more time how with some angles, okay? Angles. I will explain this part exactly. Maybe confusion starts from this point. Okay? I will explain here one more time. Елена, у вас красивое имя. Кто это для вас?
Мама.
Мама? Она была в Милане, да? В итальянском городе. Очень красивый город.
Время было.
Okay? Okay, let's delete the previous one, okay? This final one, okay. I just remained only the last one. Other parts I deleted, okay? Can I clean this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Let's explain only the part. This. Maybe 2 pair is good. Yes. If
Yeah.
3 pair, mine is going to
Blowing.
explosion and slowing. Because we had some plans. I want to bring to use the construction site, but I don't know. If we have construction site, 2 pairs is very short time. I don't know if we have time, we will try to go there. And we will waste some construction. But it's difficult then. Okay. Can I clean this couple? So yes, I don't need it. Force is acting. Here we have. Okay, let me get it all. Like this. Here we had 4 meters. Here we had 3 meters. Yeah, this is the length. And here. Here, external some force is acting, or let me say it's a reaction force, okay? The reaction force is acting. So what we have to do? We have to redraw here, like this. This is F horizontal, and this is this is F vertical. This is F horizontal, okay? We have to separate both forces into 2 parts, okay? And then, if we have alpha here, this angle will be alpha, okay? Internal part, okay? And then, we can identify from this proportion, forces, okay? In our case, for instance, everything is similar except maybe this distance is about 5 meters, okay? Because if you square of this one will be what? 9 plus 16 is 25, square root of 25 is equal to 5, okay? Actually is a theorem of Pythagoras, it's easy. So if we have alpha here and alpha here, so I can find from this alpha, okay, let me write FV here, in order to write alpha here, okay? This is alpha, okay? Okay, I can draw it like this, F, FV, and this is a FH. This is our total force and this is alpha. This total force components, horizontal component and vertical component, we have to separate it into 2 parts. If in our case this is alpha, in this case this is alpha. Okay? You understand? Okay, good. Or we can identify how this will be alpha. If this is a 90, yes. This is a 90 degree, yes. And you have a 90 degree here. If this is alpha, you don't know. This is totally is 90 degree, and here we have again 90 degree. This angle will be beta, yes. Let me say beta. This is 90 minus alpha. Sorry, this is 90 minus alpha. This one is 90 minus alpha, and then it will be beta will be 90 minus alpha. If you add, yes, this one 90 minus alpha. If you add both this 90 minus alpha plus alpha, it will be again this angle will be 90. You understand? Beta, I just identify beta is as a 90 minus alpha. Okay? Because this one is 90, this is alpha, this is 90 minus alpha. Okay? Now is it clear? And then, so we have a vertical component, horizontal component, and we can easily find if Sine alpha is equal to FH divided by F. If cosine alpha is equal to FV divided by F. Yes? Clear? So, and then, so from this angle, I have a distance 3 meters and 4 meters, and this one is 5 meters, yes? I can find sine alpha what? Sine alpha is equal to 4 divided by 5. Yes? Cosine alpha is equal to 3 divided by 5. Yes? Easy. So, tangent alpha is equal to what? 4 over 5 divided by 3 over 5. Yes? 5 will be neglected. And then what remains? 4 over 3. Tangent alpha actually is equal to sine alpha minus divided by cosine alpha. Yes? This is trigonometry. Siz eshitib trigonometriyani maktabda? Chiqqansizlar, to'g'rimi?
O'tganman.
Ha, bo'ldi. Endi aldamang da, men o'tmaganmiz desiz, borib chiqarib olaman nasqonni.
O'tganmiz.
V over FH.
What?
Narkozlavsa sizdan qo'lda yetishadi. Shu maktabda eslamaysizmi?
V over FH.
Okay. We will go there.
Directly.
If we put here, what will happen? Tangent alpha is equal to FH divided by F divided by FV over F. F will be neglected, and then FH divided by FV. So the same like this.
I factorial. That was directly قانون qoidasi bo'yicha ham tomonlari hashtag tomoni.
Ha, shu. Просто bu ham qoidada. Bu ham formulaga trigonometri. O'zi qoida bo'yicha to'g'ri aytyapsiz. Qanaqasi tomondagi anaqani katetni buni yopishgan katetga nisbat. Okay. So from this I can identify FH divided by FV is equal to 4 over 3. Okay? So if you have this ratio, you can put it to another equation and you can identify everything. Okay? Is it clear now? Okay, good. I'm talking too much. So I am just interested that tomorrow we have something like a earthquake engineering course, yeah?
Yes.
So maybe last week we discussed about how we have a single degree of freedom, blah blah blah, spring, damping, and acceleration. So and sometimes we have a lesson on MATLAB. And what we is going to do, MATLAB is okay. I can find there is a room with some PC, everything is equipped with MATLAB, no problem. What we are going to do, the people who is going to join online to us, how they use MATLAB, okay? How they use MATLAB. So if you are online, it does not mean you are genius, okay? If I have to put some problem, I have to give some problem, you have to solve on MATLAB, okay? If we do have some MATLAB on our course, of course we will go to 401, there is a room exists, or maybe in the mechatronics center, always it should be free. On this time, maybe night time, it should be free. In this case, it makes much more difficulty for us and for you, okay? Not for me, it doesn't matter. I have a MATLAB here, everywhere. Who is just going to join our course using the MATLAB, it will be awful, really. Because my second course is 90% is dependent on MATLAB. Okay? Good. Can you take a photo with me like this? Okay, I can stop here. not recording, just sharing. I can give you 5 minutes break. Okay? 5 minutes break. You can have a rest, smoke, blah blah blah. Okay? See you after 5 minutes. Then we can continue, okay? 5 minutes. Okay, everyone? Okay, everyone, I will give you 5 minutes break, okay? And then we will continue. I have to stop recording. Where is it? Stop recording. Ha, ilk para. Hadi 5 minut. Hemen solayalım. Alttan sonra Johnson gelecek olur mu? Johnson. And then we will continue, okay? Never mind. It's okay. This is much more simpler. Yes? But here we have an internal hinge. Okay? I think you have already met this kind of problem. Yes? Please open this one. And we will continue. Can I clean this one? Did you take a photo? Yes? Good. What we have here, 2 beams, yes? How many reaction forces are exist? Just look. This is a fixed. I think yes. Point A is already fixed. And point B, we have 2 reaction forces. Okay, hinge, internal hinge, both of them has 2 reaction forces, okay? And this one is roller support again, as the previous one, only one we have. If we rotate this one, it will be much more complicated. That's why maybe the situation is also okay. Okay. Hello everyone. Are you online or sleeping? Can you hear me? İstersen mi online mı olur? Good, good. Don't sleep. Okay. Did you see what I'm saying? The problem with 2 beam? Okay, we have a fixed support, 1 beam and 1 internal hinge, and another is a roller support like this. Okay. And we have some distributed load here, 400 Newton per meter, and the distance is 20 meter, and here is 15 meters, and we have one more moment here, 6,000 Newton per meter. Quite a lot. Okay, we have a point A fixed, point B is internal hinge, and point C is what? Roller support. Okay, what we have to do, we have to separate to 2 parts our system, okay? 1 part and second part. We have to separate into 2 system. Let's draw force case. Yeah, I will write directly, okay? 20 meters, product 400 Newton. So acting on the 10 meters and VA, HA, and M, and 8,000 Newton force. Here again 10 meters, and we have a reaction force VB and HP. For the second part, we have to put here another piece of this beam with inverse direction of forces, okay, reaction forces, HV. If you make a mistake, you are failed. And we have a rotation, 6,000 Newton per meter downside. Okay? Now I have a two spread part, and I have to solve for both cases a separately problem. Okay? This is another problem, this is another problem, but they are dependent on each other. Only thing that you have to change the direction of forces where you are going to cut. Okay? So we have a hinge, this way we have two forces are exist here. If we have a full body, if you want to cut it, you have to add moment also, okay? Here we don't have any moment, okay? Because it's going to rotate. That's why there is no reaction force on moment. How many reaction forces are exist here, totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one also 4, 5, and 6. How many beams are exist here? Two beams. Two beams means in free body diagram, how many degree of freedom? One beam has 3 degree of freedom. If two beam, 6 degree of freedom. 6 degree of freedom, 6 reaction force, and if you look, everything is fixed. Nowhere is going to move. That's why it is statistically determinable problem. Yes? Okay, good. Okay, let's write for the horizontal forces. Equation number 1. Sum of horizontal forces is equal to 0. Okay, HA minus HB is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Sum of vertical forces is equal to 0. So VA plus VB minus 8 kilonewton is equal to 0. Third equation. Sum of all moments is equal to 0. MA minus 8 kilonewton product 10 meters plus VB product 20 is equal to 0. We have 3 equations, but here 2 unknown, here 2 unknown, here 1, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unknowns, but 3 equations. So number of equations is not enough to solve our problem, okay? Okay, good. Next, we have here 15 meters length. Sum of horizontal forces, again, is equal to 0. This is equation number 4, okay? And equation number 5. Sum of all vertical forces is equal to 0. HB is equal to 0. It's okay? From here I can find HA is equal to 0. 2 unknowns already is now. Next one is just minus VB plus VC is equal to 0. It means that VC is equal to VB. Next one is equation number 6. Sum of all moments is equal to 0. So I can take a moment at this point, that's why they are neglected. Oh, okay, good. So if direction of movement on this side, it means that this one is negative. Minus 6 kilonewton meter and plus BC product 15 is equal to 0. BC is equal to 6,000 Newton meter divided by 15. It's about 4 yes. Alright. Let's calculate. Okay, good. Now I found VC. I can find VB. They are the same. 400 newtons. Only one thing remained here, VA and MA. MA is equal to 80 kilonewton meter product. This is negative and this is positive. This is negative. 8 kilonewton meter. Yes. MA is about 82 kilonewton. And the VA is equal to 8 minus 0.4 kilonewtons is equal to 7.6 kilonewtons. Yes? 8,000 minus 0.4 or 400. If I didn't make any mistake, it should be the same. Okay, let's check the results. Yes, it's almost the same results. Okay? Is it clear? Can I explain something to you? It's okay? Şey açma yapasın. Online oturganlarım korunu yaptım mı? Kalelerden işlet yapsam mı? İyi çıkıyor yapsam mı? Daftarların var mı? Okay, good. After gelmezse yaz boramız. Tekşiremem. Okay? Clear? So far so good. Oh, we are very lucky. Yes. Can I solve this problem? Let's remain this problem. Maybe we will solve it later. Okay? I can solve it right now, or you can solve it yourself. It is the same problem with angle, and there is some two separated beam. We have to identify for both cases reaction forces. Okay, how many reaction forces are exist here? Look. How many beams are exist here? Two beams, yes. This is what? Inner support. This is hinge. This is? Okay. It means that how many reaction forces exist? Two, overall 6. We have a 2 beam and 6 reaction forces, okay? And each beam has how many degrees of freedom? 3. It means that we have 3 equations of motion. Yes? For both cases. It means that we can solve this problem. 6 reaction forces, 6 what? 6 equations. Anyone want to try? Anyone wants to try? You want? Please go ahead. You did copy?
А я отправила в группу уже.
Все.
В группе есть.
Who is Kumar Bibi?
お前は一つだからし
Tanıyor. Ne kadar ders biliyor musun? Makinim.
まずよ本来は
Acı. Architecture blueprint. समझे? हमें खोलते हैं लेकिन इसमें बहुत कम होते हैं. This difference is with Rushana. Ne koyuyorum? Sakki support diyemez, support'un hasar vedası. Support'u общий uzunluğu arasımızın 3 metre olması gerekiyor. Yani kvadratlığı bir yarım kvadratlık olsa 3 metre olur. 3 metrenin 2 metreye kadar saklıyorum saksıdan. Anladım. Tepasiga rasm milyon nagrosini bitta qog'oz ko'tarib o'rtaga 6 kilometr nagrosini qo'yadi. Tekrar söz vermez. Sırmayla ödesiyor. The angle is also known. Did you see? 4 by 3. Aslında Mehmet öğretmen paytızını birlikte kampanyada gazete satılmaz. Hepsi 2 milyara tasarruf ediyor. Let's keep going. दूसरा है केबल वाला ये बार कुछ के लिए कि आसास करेगा ये पर क्या हो जाएगा इसमें सी तो इसको बी एंड कितना प्रश्न रहेगा Sakız konumunda bir anda cevap teksin nasıl olsa. Bu içeri var değil mi burasında? Çıkaramaz ki bu. Adam size içinde bize de. Sana otursun mu size de? is acting, and you have a reaction focus.
Şöyle F bas bir kapatalım.
Yok, komponensiyon. Left var. Ne bir reaction force var, bakalım. Jeżeli usunąć paskę. Configuration. One player 6.2. Positive. DC. 3. Okay. 6 divided by 2. Yes. Divided by. No. V product 2, not 1. The right and the right. Yes. Okay, you can find VB also on that point. VB, not VC. Equal to 6 minus VC. Abbiamo stesso per una sola testa, ma solo questo. Bize kızılma verecek gerekirse. Ha? Bunu iki de kampanya tasarıyor. FH doğru. İnspirasyon doğru. Ya ilk oluyor bak bende Princeton'da mı yazıyor? Bununki Nikol yazıyor. VA minus FD. Okay, good. Yes, you have to rotate. Okay. F product 2 meters. No. You are just spreading into 2 parts. I don't need it. You can write directly one force. Look here. This distance and product is force. Okay. One moment. It's okay. Yes. Minus. Plus. Not 3. Actually, it's 1.5 meter. Yes, half. 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter. And 2 meter. No, this is now. Yes, 2 meter. Okay, good.
I will take this part. The 2F is equal to HB.
HV is noun, yes. No, VB is noun. VB is a noun, you can find HV. Here VB.
Yes, from this, as a from using knowledge, you mean? Because we didn't just found the VC and VB. So from this point we can change.
Sorry. Where are you taking a moment? Where are you going to take a moment?
Because we don't know the HC.
HC, if you find from here HB, you can find HC because you have this one is now. This one is now. Here is this is
also
now.
now.
Yes, of course, 8 kilometers you already assigned.
Mass 16 plus HB is we need to find this.
Okay, good.
So
Means that
HB equal to 1.5.
okay, please divide it. 14 point something else, yes.
14.66.
14.7
Yeah, 14.7.
kilometer. Don't forget the unit. HB is noun, HC is also noun. So what remained? VA, yes, and HA. HA is here. Horizontal component of this force. How much? We didn't identify it. Yes. Yeah, look. You can find horizontal component of this force using this formula. Look at this. This is horizontal component, this is a vertical component. It means that you have to separate 4 over 5 is equal to something like a x over 8 kilonewton. Okay? Yes, you can put directly there. But if you want to if H is equal to what? 3 over 5 is equal to something like that. To find this x, I'm sorry, here is the fh over 8. Yes? And is equal to fh is equal to 4.8 kilometers. Yes, something like this. And v is equal to 4 over 5 is equal to fv over 8. And fv is equal to 6.4 kilometers. Let's separate this one. And you can find some values, okay? Am I right? Yes? No? More or less? Use my calculator.
So find the HA and H.
Yes, exactly true. HB is now, HA is equal to HB minus FH. FH is 4.8. Is equal to 99 kilometers. Okay, good. HA is noun, Where is a VA? VA. Please find the VA. Yes. VA is equal to VB plus FV. Here. Already found. Okay, VB is equal to 3 kilometers. It's 9.4 kilometers. And that's square. Everything should be square or some circle. HB, okay, HC. HC is also 14.7 kilometers. Yes. Please look how many unknowns were here. 1 noun, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6 HP.
and 6 HB. Okay. Please copy everything. I think for today is enough.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher,
Yes.
yes, but принять скорость.
Bo'ldi ders tugadi-yu. Tugatdi. Kim chiqib ketibdi?
Qo'yimni qoldirib qoldilar-da. Menga yozyaptilar, qanaqa принять скорость dedi.
Kim dedingiz?
İlyas va Saida.
Said'e dağılmıyor oluyor mu?
Yok, başlıyor.
O Loska'dan ko'chirganinglar bo'ldi.
Предыдущего удалите. Зачем?
Тоже можно делать.
Не могу. Мне пишут, что я могу удалить все 9 сообщений сразу, а одно не могу.
Весело, Нищен. Ha, Cevdet. Xuddi dışarıda mana shu joyingizda o'tirasiz.
Yo'q, ani boshqa emas.
Okay, guys, everyone, thank you very much. I will stop the meeting for today.
Switch.
Bye bye. Kayası hangi var benim için?